Hi, my name is Austin Dykes. I'm the product manager for Cyber Triage, and welcome back to the Cyber Triage Artifact Speedrun series, where we quickly review DFIR concepts and artifacts, how they can assist you in your investigation, and where to find them in our tool. So today we're talking about the Windows OpenSaveMRU artifact. What's the artifact? The Windows OpenSaveMRU artifact stores references to files that were selected by a user when using a standard Windows dialog to open or save a file. So why does it exist? This data exists so that Windows can give a list of previously used file names. This feature makes it easier for users to reuse a name. MRU stands for most recently used. How is it useful in DFIR? It's useful in a DFIR investigation because it can show what files the user was recently focused on. In an intrusion case with an account takeover, this list could show what files the attacker was interested in. These could be documents with intellectual property or configuration files for their attack tools. For an insider threat case, it can show what kinds of documents the user was opening. In general investigation, knowing what documents the user recently opened can reveal what they used the computer for. It can also list file paths and times for files that have since been deleted or were on a removable drive. And where do you find it? The OpenSaveMRU data is stored in a user's intuser.dat registry hive. It's in two different locations depending on the version of Windows. They both have the same structure though, which is subkeys based on the file extension such as docx, txt, or zip. Under each extension-based key, there is a list of file paths. Since Windows Vista, the root key is found here. And in Windows XP, the key is stored here. So what does the key contain? Since Windows Vista, each extension subkey can contain up to 20 values. Their name is a counter, 0 to 19, and the value is a binary structure that contains the path and other data. But the path is not stored in an easy-to-read string. Instead, it is stored as a PIDL or a PIDL, which is a list of IDs that represent entries in a folder. The file name is stored in the value, though, in ASCII and UTF-16. There is also an MRU list EX value that contains an ordered list of counters, i.e. 0 to 19, that represent what order the files were last used. In the below example, you can see that 2 was the most recent, then 1, and then 0. Now, where can you see this in Cyber Triage? In Cyber Triage, you can find the OpenSaveMRU contents in the Data Access section. This section shows files that a user opened or saved. You can look at the Source Info section to see if an item came from an OpenSaveMRU key or another artifact. And finally, how does Cyber Triage score it? Cyber Triage, much like the previous video, will score Office and PDF files as suspicious if they have malware characteristics. For example, an Office document that has a macro that runs when the document is open would be flagged. And really, that's just one of the many ways in which Cyber Triage can help you in your DFIR investigation. So that's going to do it for this video. We hope you found it informative, and don't wait to grab your free eval copy of Cyber Triage on the Cyber Triage website, which is www.cybertriage.com. So until next time, happy hunting.